How to rotate a table in Google Docs. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can rotate table in Google Docs. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you're going to have to do is open up your Google Chrome and then click on the Google Apps icon. Now scroll down a bit until you find Google Docs. Click on Docs. And now you'll be taken to docs.google.com. So here I'm just going to create a blank document by clicking on the plus icon. Once you are inside your blank document, what you need to do is insert tables. Head over to insert, and click on table. Now select the dimension of your table. So let's say if I just want to create a 3x3 table, I'm just going to click on it. And for now, I'm just going to randomly assign numbers or letters here. So let's just add A to this, B, C, and then simultaneously let's add other stuff here as well. D, E, and F, and then G, H, and I. So alright, here is our table. So on Google Docs, what you can only do to the tables is sort the table in ascending or descending order. You can add rows and columns, but there is no active way to rotate the table. So you can move the row to up and down like so, but there is no option to rotate it. So in that case, what you're going to have to do is create a snip of this table and paste it again. So click on the search bar and search for snipping tool on your laptop and then hit enter. Now your snipping tool will open up. Now click on new, and you are going to carefully get this tables part like this and snip it. And once you've done that, it will be pasted to your snipping tool. Now right click on it and copy it, then go back and paste it on your Google Docs. So as you can see here, I've pasted the table as an image, so I'm able to move it around. So let's just do this. And once you have done that, let's make it wrap text. And now once you have done that, you could rotate this anywhere you want. So click on this plus icon. So if I want it 90 degrees, I can do that. If I want it on a certain angle like this, I can do that. So that's how you rotate a table on Google Docs. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'm going to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.